Here I have the Smart Body Fat Scale by RunStar. And this is what it looks like. It comes with the user manual and the quick start guide. So the QR code so you could download the app. And this is the scale. It's battery operated. And it already has the batteries inside. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It comes with 4 batteries. They're AAA. So all you do is just remove this. And let's put the cover back on. And let's turn it on. Once you download the app, you could add as many users as you like. On the bottom right, there's the profile. And then you slide down. You go down to device, my devices. And there it is. I have the old one and the new one is the RunStar 6. So I'm already on there. Let's go back. And let's confirm. So there you go. It's measuring 190.8. 190.8. So that's for me. And it measures everything else. So I switched to my daughter. She's gonna stand on the scale. And there it is. 60.2, 60.2. And it measures everything else. And I put her goal weight for 50 pounds. Shows the date, the weight, the body fat percentage, the BMI. And if you want to see more, you could see more right there. So there it is.